A very good afternoon, respectable sir, ma'am. I am Abhinav Kumar Singh. This is a long and interesting day. I appreciate your patience and attention for few moments. Now I am going to give a presentation. So I have got a opportunity to give presentation on role of segmentation technique in digital image processing DIP. These are outline of my presentation. So whatever I have done in my paper, I am going to discuss about that. Introduction, image and digital image. In my point of view, image may be defined as a picture that has been created or copied and stored in electronic frame. It is a binary representation of virtual information like drawing a picture, logo, graph and individual video frames. In the term of computer science, an image may be defined as a two-dimensional function f of x and y, where x and y are two spatial coordinates. The amplitude of f at any pair of coordinates x, y is called intensity. Digital image. Digital image is nothing but a 2D signal which is defined by the mathematical function f of x and y, where x and y are two coordinates, namely horizontal and vertical. It represents two-dimensional image. As a finite set of digital value is called picture element or pixel. Digital image processing. In my point of view, digital image processing is nothing but a technique to manipulating a group of pixels to enhance the quality of the image. Segmentation in digital image processing. The main aim of segmentation is to extract the ROI, that is the reason of interest for image analysis. Segmentation play an important role in digital image processing, seeing separation of large image into several parts, making further processing simple. Role of segmentation in digital image processing. Segmentation is important step in digital image processing. It is a first step in image analysis, and we can say that it is a technique or the partition an image into meaningful parts have a similar features and properties. Role segmentation technique. Nowadays, variety of segmentation in image segmentation, digital image processing. Some consider as a general purpose and some designed for specific classes of image. There are several existing segmentation technique in digital image processing. They all are its one important process of image segmentation. Here is example of how to analyze an image in digital image segmentation. Image segmentation, here we can put an image, after that they will be segmented as object and image. And feature extraction, here image will be quantification, and after that classification or cluster, then it will be result. The whole process is called a typical image analysis pipeline. Types of segmentation: pixel based direction classification. In this, segmentation is done on the basis of pixel. Global knowledge based segmentation. This segmentation identify a threshold value from a grayscale or image histogram that represent an image. Edge-based segmentation. It is used for line detection application such as text recognition. Region-based segmentation. Graphs partitioning is region-based method used for complex image segmentation. Cluster-based segmentation. In cluster-based segmentation, a given set of data is divided into groups. Application of image segmentation. Medical imaging. Medical imaging refer to techniques and process used to create image of various parts of the human body for diagnostic and treatment purpose within digital health. Here some components of medical imaging, like in some pathology, measure tissue volume, computer guided surgery, diagnosis, treatment planning, study of anatomical structures. Second one is used in satellite image like road and forest. Third, face recognition, fingerprint recognition, automatic traffic controlling systems, machine version. Segmentation technique. Image segmentation has several techniques for dividing the image into segments. Each technique has its own features and importance. In my paper, image segmentation technique, I have defined 7 techniques like threshold based, edge based, region based, clustering based, fuzzy based segmentation, artificial neural network, watershed based segmentation. Threshold based segmentation. Threshold is the simplest method of image segmentation. From grayscale image, thresholding can be used to create binary image as 0 or 1. 0 means black and 1 means white. Here, this is example of threshold image. It is a simple image. After that, it is converted into threshold. Edge based. Edge is defined as a set of pixels where intensity changes from one level to another level. So it is used for line detection, as I told. Applications such as text recognition, that is, or this is example of edge based segmentation image. This is segmented image using edge based segmentation. Region based, the region segmentation which is carried out based on similarities in given image is known as edge based segmentation. It is used for line detection applications such as text recognition. Here it is a example of segmented image into region based segmentation. Clustering based, clustering is image segmentation is identified as the process of identifying. Clustering is image segmentation is defined as the process of identifying group of similar image primitive. And in cluster based segmentation, a given set of data is divided into groups. Cluster system can be categorized into following classes: supervised clustering and unsupervised clustering. Fuzzy based segmentation. Fuzzy based segmentation is collection of all approaches that understand, represent and process the images, their segments and features as fuzzy set. Fuzzy based image segmentation include fuzzy thresholding, fuzzy role based inferencing scheme, fuzzy seam clustering, fuzzy integral based decision making. Watershed based segmentation. In this study of image processing, a watershed is a transformation defined on a grayscale image. The name refers metaphorically to a geological watershed or drainage divide which separates adjacent drainage basins. Here the example of watershed of a gradient refill. Refill of the gradient, many magnitudes gradient magnitudes image watershed of the gradient. Conclusion: in this paper we represent a review relative overview of various image segmentation techniques, image processing, cover image classification and segmentation algorithm. We discuss and evaluate main image segmentation technique which is used for image analysis. It is found that there is no perfect method for image segmentation because the result of image segmentation is depending on many factors, that is pixel color, texture, intensity, similarity of image, image content and problem domain. These are references whatever I have defined in my paper, and so this is reference. After all, thank you for listening to me.